One evening, my wife made plans to have dinner with her friend from work. She found a restaurant near the station next to her office. She made a reservation for 6:30. I always arrive everywhere early. I have always been this way. I cannot help it. Being late makes me uncomfortable. I especially hate being late for dinner. That evening, I got to the restaurant at about 6:15. That was 15 minutes early. The room was quiet when I walked in. Most of the tables were still empty. A woman near the door greeted me. She asked if I had a reservation. I said yes and told her the time. I asked if I could sit down a little early. She looked at her list. She said she couldn't find the name. I gave her my wife's name. She looked again and shook her head. I tried her friend's name. She checked again. Still nothing. I stood there for a moment. I wasn't sure what to do. I took out my phone to send my wife a message. That's when I saw a message I had missed. It was from my wife. The message said the reservation was under my name. She knew I would arrive early, so she put the reservation in my name. I almost smiled. I looked up and gave the woman my name. She found it right away. She picked up a menu and led me to the table. I sat down and looked around. The restaurant had warm lighting. It was still early. There were only a few other guests at the table near me. I ordered a drink and looked at the menu. There was no rush. I waited. Slowly, the restaurant filled up around me. About 20 minutes passed. Then the door opened. My wife walked in with her friend. She looked around and saw me right away. She smiled. She didn't look surprised at all. It was already a good evening.